And it sucks and it's hard. James is making me watch the Game Awards. It's been kind of in the works for like a year.
Oh, I can too just sit here and cry.
Why? Don't judge me. And this morning I just kind of had a meltdown. Happy Vlogmas day number 14. Today is December 9th and it is the TPC sale day. So I've been working all day on that stuff, just like back end stuff, sharing posts, all of that fun stuff. I need to start printing orders. Thank you guys so much if you supported me during the TPC sale. It means a lot to me. By the time this video goes up, the sale is over, but I am so grateful and appreciative for all of the support. So thank you so much for that. I've literally tried to start this vlog so many times today, but honestly, I've just been in such a funk today. Like I just felt very down and just I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling it. So you know what? It is 4 o'clock and I'm finally done with all of my work related stuff. I got the sale stuff done. I got Vlogmas Day 13 edited, uploaded, ready to go. So I'm finally all caught up on videos and I'm just gonna clean my house because it needs to be cleaned. We're leaving tomorrow to go on our little weekend getaway, and yeah, I just need to clean, put on some music, and you know, I just feel like I'm in a funk, you know, like I just am not happy today, and I don't want to go too much into that. I'm debating like how much to share about this, but I'm just going through the loss of a friendship right now, and it sucks and it's hard, and it's been kind of in the works for like a year, but I wasn't ready to let it go, and this morning I just kind of had a meltdown about it because it really sucks, and it's not like anything major happened. I don't know. It just sucks. So if you guys have ever gone through a friendship loss or any sort of loss of a relationship, a friendship, anything like that, then you'll probably understand. And I'm not going to go too much into it, you know, but that's just where my headspace is at today. So that kind of hopefully will help you guys understand the funk that I've been in. And, you know, it's funny how these things can take a while to process, or that like it's just something completely random will upset you because of this other situation. And it sucks, and I know I'm gonna be okay and I'm gonna be stronger because of it, and it's gonna be fine, but it sucks in the moment going through it. So anyway, that's all I'm gonna say about that subject. But now we are going to tackle this house because we've got to have some good vlog content for today, because we're vlogging every day no matter what's happening. So we've got to get it done, and I've got to get the house in order. I need to do laundry. I need to make the bed. There's a ton of dishes in the kitchen. Not a ton, but there's enough. So, all right, I'm gonna set you guys up. We're gonna make the bed. We're gonna get this done. Happy Vlogmas Day 14. And yes, I am in fact wearing this sweatshirt again. Don't judge me. You guys ever had like areas in your house you're just like, I do not want to clean that? that's the kitchen for me today. I'm like, I do not want to clean this. But like, I know I would feel so much better if I would just clean the kitchen, but I do not want to clean it. All right, guys, I had to take a pause on cleaning because I was like, I need to print the orders that came in. And I'm glad that I took a moment because I realized that they ordered a January monthly kit, a February monthly kit, and a March monthly kit for the Erin Condren. For whatever reason, I was like, I need to make sure that those work. Why I would think that they weren't sized correctly is beyond me, but I remembered that EC came out with like 3 different designs, okay? And they did change the monthly kits, and the ones that I had in my shop were sized for the 2021 planners, not the new ones that came out for 2022. So I was like, oh wait, all of them are switching over to that size. Because before I was like, I'm not gonna switch it. Well, actually, when it switched, I discontinued them. That's what happened. So when it switched, I discontinued my monthly kits. Then I decided to bring them back. But guys, it doesn't cover up. It just irritates me that they're always like changing sizes. So and then they come out with a new planner in the middle of the year. But anyway, so I just resized this really quick, but I've got to print it off, make sure that it works, and then I can go about my day. But it's not that big of a deal. Like, I've already changed January, so as long as it fits, I've already got one done. It's just more frustrating because I'm like, I could have had this in, I literally had everything printed and cut. Could have had this in the mail by now, but it's more important that I fix this. Obviously, I don't want to send something that's not going to work, and I don't think anybody else had ordered the monthly kits because I had them on hand, so like nobody bought them, thank goodness, but like, why? Anyway, so I fixed it. We are all good, and James is on his way home, and we're gonna have beef stew. And now James is calling me, so I gotta go. James is making me watch the Game Awards.
I don't know if making you watch is the right word.
Did we watch this last year?
Yeah.
Is that the thing where they kept saying, what was the game kept winning?
Oh yeah, what game did keep winning over and over last year?
Because you were
was
really...
it The Last of Us 2? I think The Last of Us 2 was the big game last year, and it was really irritating.
It was because you like made a whole thing about it in one of the Vlogmas videos, and somebody said that their son was irritated about it also or something.
I think that was The Last of Us 2.
Is that what this was, like when we watched it last year?
Yeah.
Anyway, so James is going to watch that. I'm going to go work on some orders so that way I don't have to do that tomorrow. And then I'll probably clean some more. I don't know. I feel like this vlog is kind of a hot mess today.
I'll have a blue Christmas without advent calendars. I'll be so blue thinking about calendars. And your Christmas so white, I don't remember how this song goes. But I'll have a blue Christmas without advent calendars.
I think Dixie is like, she's like throwing a fit. Okay, guys, let's not keep her waiting. Day number 9. Hang on, I'm trying to find it. Oh, it's right here. I think it's gonna be green. It's red. Day number 9. Double espresso.
It's pronounced espresso? No, wait, you said it that way. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Oscar. And there you have it. I want the candy cane one. Okay. It is mocha matcha.
Ew.
I knew you were gonna say that. Let's smell it.
Well, I'm sure it smells fine.
Smells good.
It's not the smell of coffee I don't like, it's the actual taste.
I know. It's time for the office. Okay. Okay, so I think
I think it's gonna be Kevin.
You think it's gonna be Kevin?
I think Kevin.
I think it's gonna be Andy.
I think we need like Ryan and Kelly and Kevin first, you know?
Maybe, but my
Get all
guess...
the OG cast.
Well, okay, hang on. They are all OGs. Maybe that's like a pattern here.
I mean,
Okay.
it could not be, I don't know.
Okay. So I'll pick an OG character. So we're missing Phyllis,
Could be Roy.
Ryan, Kelly.
Toby.
Watch Toby be day 24. It could be Creed.
Could be Creed.
I'm gonna go with Creed.
Could be Devin. Wasn't that his name?
I'm gonna go with Creed. I'm gonna go with Creed. Final answer. What did you say? Kevin. All right. Moment of truth here. Who's it gonna be?
Should have gone with your original.
Is it Andy?
I think it might.
Oh, he's got his little
Got a little
guitar
guitar.
or banjo. It's a banjo. See, I would have been right, but you
I
made
told
me.
you not to change your mind.
You made
but
me change.
You did. That was all on you.
I'm so excited. Andy's like seriously one of my favorite characters.
Oh, I can too just sit here and cry.
Just sit here and cry. All right, guys. I did a question of the day, but then I ended up deleting like all of my footage because I was just not happy with it today. So I'm gonna re-ask this question. I believe it was from Meet Me in Cali. Wanted to know our favorite DIY project, Christmas DIY project. Now I don't really do a lot of DIY projects, so
Yeah, Rachel doesn't know how to do it herself.
but I think my favorite like DIY thing I've ever done as like a Christmas present for people. So one year for Christmas, I made my mom and my grandma bath salts, like peppermint bath salts, and then I like used food coloring to make them like red and green. So I guess that'd be my favorite DIY project. How about yours?
My favorite DIY project?
Christmas DIY.
Like for a Christmas gift?
Yeah, did you? Oh, you made your mom the...
I made my mom gloves that would work with a touchscreen before people were like making those. So I like bought gloves and silver thread and like sewed fingers in that would work on a touchscreen.
Well, there you have it. So let us...
Cutting edge. If only I had thought to open an Etsy shop.
That was the question of the day. What's your favorite Christmas DIY project? Let us know in the comments below if you have one. If you don't, you can just say I don't have one. I'm not crafty. I understand.
I'm not crafty. That's why I could never have sold
I mean,
those, actually.
I guess technically you could say I'm crafty because I make stickers, but like I don't feel like I'm a crafty person. So anyway, drop a comment down below letting us know. But that is gonna wrap up Vlogmas Day 14. Hope you guys are having a great December. I don't know what I was trying to say there. And we will see you guys tomorrow for another fun day of Vlogmas. Bye guys.